I'm Kate, Plastic Free Mermaid, and I am going to talk to you today about MOONCUPs, how to insert them and remove them in public bathrooms. I mean, anywhere, but also I'm going to address in public bathrooms, which can be a little bit tricky. So, you take your cup like this, and you always want to rinse it. Now, most of the cups, or you should always want to get a cup that's made with medical grade silicone. So we use this because it is reusable, and this particular material does not leach any harmful chemicals when in contact with skin or flesh or anything like that. So unlike other plastics, which leach all sorts of crazy toxins, namely the ones that we're concerned with are the estrogen mimicking chemicals, silicone does not. Hence why they use it for plastic surgery, for MOONCUPs, for sex toys, all these, cooking, all these great uses of silicone. So MOONCUP, reusable, replaces tampons that are also contain plastic and not the good kind. They contain the kind that leaches, as well as bleached cotton and other things that are just not really great to put inside of one of the most sensitive places in our body, and absorbent. Okay, how do we put it in? Take your cup, fold it once, fold it twice. Now you have about the size of a tampon, maybe a little bit bigger, but this is what we're going to put inside of us. So you just get comfortable, insert it, let it pop open inside. Might need to wiggle it up there a little bit, however you can get it in. This little stem is supposed to give you something to hold onto. I tend to just reach for the bottom of the cup. I feel like I have a better grip that way. But yeah, maneuver it until you feel like it's comfortable. It opens. Wipe your fingers on some toilet paper. Go exit the toilet, wash your hands. Done. Now, how to extract the MOONCUP. Again, as I mentioned, we have this little tail. So you want to wash your hands, then go to the bathroom, reach up, find the cup. So you might find the bottom of the cup inside of yourself. Now you squeeze, and then you just try and pull down. So you just try and get a grip on it. Maybe this little stem helps you grab it and pull it out. If it helps to squeeze it like this, and you're like this over the toilet, so then you can just dump the MOONCUP into the toilet, and then you sit back down, or maybe you're not sitting it up, you grab some toilet paper. You can wash your fingers. Now it's up to you if you just dump it and then reinsert it right there, depending on how much blood is on the cup. If you want to, just go with the reusable pads or the reusable undies that you're also wearing, that's great. You can wrap your MOONCUP in toilet paper, put it in your little MOONCUP bag, hopefully you have one, or you can just repurpose a little jewelry bag or something that works for you, or you can just do toilet paper, it doesn't matter. So now your MOONCUP is kind of wrapped up and secure. You go outside of the stall, wash your hands, you gave them a little wipe with the toilet paper so they're not like dripping in blood, and you flushed that toilet paper. So that's how you can do it, and then you want to sanitize your MOONCUP in boiling hot water. So putting this into boiling hot water does not change the material, the product at all. It can withstand heat. That's why it's used in a lot of baking goods as well, this material. So that's how you do it. And let's see, any other things that I should mention? The MOONCUP. Oh, I suppose if you are in public and it is quite bloody, just know that toilet paper is your friend. Just wipe your fingers, use the toilet paper to get out of the bathroom, go to the sink, wash your hands. If the bathroom's empty, you can give your MOONCUP a rinse right there. But yeah, you just, blood can be hazardous. So just try and be as cleanly as possible, and don't be embarrassed. This is, people get blood on their fingers when they insert tampons too. So it's not that weird. It's just better for the planet and for your body, because you're not absorbing all the hectic chemicals that they put into tampons and pads. Great, thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to learn how to be plastic free like me. Have a good day.